Hi friends, in today's video you'll get to know the early signs that you're probably overwatering your tomato plants and what to do to avoid losing your crop. Tomato plants, like most other crops, love water, but as the saying goes, too much of everything is bad. Knowing how to water your tomato plants correctly can save you the heartbreak of having tomato plants with no fruits, or even worse, losing your plants. The amount of water to give tomato plants depends on the size of the container and the water holding capacity of the soil. Choosing a soil that has good water retention will save you from having to water your plants twice a day, especially when the plants grow big. When watering tomatoes, deep periodic watering is preferable since it allows the crop to develop a strong root system. Shallow frequent watering leads to lazy roots that can't cope well with stress. When watering your plants, always check the soil surface for white and hairy roots protruding out of the soil around the root zone of the tomato plant. The appearance of these roots are a sign that your plants are getting too much water. When the soil stays too wet for a long time, it creates an anaerobic condition such that the roots cannot get enough oxygen. So the plants develop roots that grow out of the soil so they can breathe or get oxygen. These roots are different from the green or brown adventitious roots that develop on the stem at the base of tomato plants. Once you see these roots, you need to stop watering immediately and reduce the frequency of watering before the waterlogging becomes too severe. When growing in containers, you need to check whether there are drainage holes at the bottom or that the drainage holes are not clogged. It's also possible that the soil has too much clay. But in any case, you need to reduce the amount of water as well as the frequency of watering once you see this sign. That's all for now. If you found this video useful, toggle on the like button and share it so more people can benefit from it. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing so you don't miss any of our videos. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments and I'll get back. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos or see you in our next. Until then, it's adios.